A consumer alert to share with you this morning. We first told you about this issue yesterday morning.
Hey dude, how are you? You know, I'm dating this really awesome Italian girl, and tomorrow I'm going to take her out to this super expensive Italian restaurant.
Jay says it corrected a technical problem that showed some customers the wrong balances. Account holders took to social media to complain about the issue late Saturday night and early Sunday morning.
But I just don't know what to order. I want to order something fancy. What?
We even had a few coworkers here report their own issues too. And Chase says it was a glitch that delayed updates to what customers saw on the website and the mobile app. The bank tweeted that it fixed that issue Sunday morning.
Stupid one and only Chase Bank. Yay!
May I take your order?
I'll have the involtini di carne.
I think it's called involtini di carne. Let me look at it. Oh no! No! Ma non esiste! Ma stiamo scherzando? Ma una persona con questa cosa ci mangia 3 mesi! Ma siamo impazziti! Io non ho parole. È una cosa senza... no, non esiste. You don't have to lose your shirt to get a good Italian meal, okay? I can make one just as good at home. Even you guys at home, you don't have to lose an arm or a leg for a gourmet Italian meal. Let me show you how to make involtini di carne. Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to make involtini, okay? Okay. Alright, so we're going to be using steak cut thinly, provolone cheese, prosciutto, a little bit of flour, some butter, a little bit of cooking wine, pepper and salt, this delicious rosemary to give it a little bit of peas and onions. And the most fun part, we get to stab them at the end with these. And don't forget the olive oil. First thing, you're gonna heat up your pan and add some olive oil. And now you're gonna add your peas and your onions. And now we cut the cheese into little strips like this, you know? And now you add some salt and a little bit of pepper. The onions are softened and they're starting to brown a little bit, and that's exactly what you want. You don't want to overcook it too much because then we're going to add it back to the meat. So this is just to give them some flavor. And now that it's done, you just take it off the pan and put it in a plate. We are going to start with the meat. Because this is such a big piece, we're gonna just cut it in half, like that. So, meat first, then we're gonna put 1 slice of prosciutto and 1 string of cheese right here. Then we take our little toothpick and you just stab it right in the middle. And now we just dump it in some flour. And now we cook them in some butter. You need to make sure that your pan is super hot. Then we're gonna add it. When you brown them, that's when you get all of the flavor. Because it kind of seals the butter and the salt and all the things that you put in it. It just seals it all together, okay? So it's a very important step, don't skip it.
Okay.
Now that that's browned, we're gonna add rosemary and cooking wine. So, rosemary in. This is about half a cup, and you don't need a lot, you need a little bit. Just use a quarter of a cup. they're ready. And remember to take the pigs out.
Wow, this is awesome.
I'm so glad I didn't let you pay for that. If you like this recipe, click on the like button. If you made this recipe, click on the I made it button and add your pictures. You can surprise your significant other with this dish and not spend a fortune at a restaurant. If you like me, Beatrice Manfredi, follow me on Khal.com. Until next time, ciao!